If you've been following this channel for a while, you've seen a bit of everything. But moving forward, that's changing, and here is why. I'm fully committing this channel to camping, outdoor gear review, bushcraft, and I really have enjoyed that over the years. I've done a lot of things, creating a lot of things, as you've seen from our other videos, and focus on solo camping and just getting outside and being more active in our great state of Michigan. Expect regular videos covering overnight wilderness camping, shelter builds, essential knife skills, camp cooking recipes, and gear reviews that tell you what actually works when you're camping. If you love the outdoors or bushcraft or just sitting by a campfire, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's get into the woods.